What up, guys? Welcome back to Strut Productions, and we are going to be checking out the strut bar. The strut bar has came. It is a custom-made strut bar by my buddy Grocery Getter Racing. So yeah, we're gonna check this out together. We're gonna see. I mean, I posted a picture on Instagram of the super damaged package that it came in. So we're gonna look at it together. I'm gonna show you guys basically if there's any damage. I hope not. Pray and cross my fingers that there's no damage to it because it's custom and it took them 3 weeks to make and get it to me. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead, take a look at it, take this packaging off, and hope that nothing is wrong. Gonna make some fine cuts here. Get this stuff. Cut through it. Great packaging job, by the way. This is awesome. Oh man, this looks so good. Wow. What a great job. All right, here it is, guys. I do not see any damage. But there you go. Good weld jobs. It's looking good, guys. This is a great product. I gotta say, I'm extremely happy. I got to choose the font. I got to choose the colors. I love it. This is awesome. Alright guys, it is now day 2. We're going to be putting this custom strut bar on Artemis. We're going to get it going. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But first, I want to show you guys the box that it came in and show you guys just how sturdy these things are. So I'm going to post a picture right now. So yeah, that was the box that it came in. The USPS driver decided to just drop off at my door and bail without even letting me know that it was completely messed up, right? So I saw that box and I was like, what the? Because I waited 3.5 weeks to get this thing and I did not want it to be ruined because it's a custom piece, one of a kind, and it takes a long time to make these things. So yeah, guys, I'm going to put all the information of this guy in the comments, or not in the comment section, but I'm going to put it all in the information section below. So if you want to find it, just click the little down arrow underneath the video. It'll take you there. You can find all the information. And I'm going to leave his Instagram handle so you can contact him. It's actually Grocery Getter Racing, so if you want to just message him, go right ahead and do that. But we're going to get into the video, and we're going to be installing this custom strut bar that says Artemis that I got to customize myself. The guy is super awesome. He works with you, and he does great work. The welds are awesome. The paint matches correctly, and I couldn't ask for a better piece. So yeah, we're going to get into it. We're going to install this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. All right, so obviously, first things first, we're going to pop the hood here. Okay, so you have these two caps here, right here, and right here. So we're going to pop those off. And to do so, the only tool you need is a flathead. So you're literally just going to take it and just pry around it, and it pops right off. We're going to do that to the other one. We're going to secure our bolts and everything in our little caps here. Pull the other one off. Easy peasy. Alright, so to remove the bolts, all you need is a little 13mm. these are on really tight, so make sure that you got some muscle behind them or just get the right tool. I'm just using this little bad boy because this is all I could find today. So yeah. I'm actually going to show you guys taking off this last one. Yeah, as you can see, they're on there pretty tight. And then once you do a couple, you can just take it off just like that and put it in your little dish there. Okay, we are ready to install the strut bar. Simple as that. I was hoping that the parts would be ready for today so I could put them in the video, but they're not quite ready yet. So, gotta wait for those. I think he's gonna deliver them actually to my work in Longview. So, I'll have them on tonight in preparation for the show, but I don't have them in this video. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, watch my previous video because I'm getting this painted, I'm getting the valve covers painted, I'm getting the fuse box cover painted, and the washer fluid cap painted. Alright, let's get to it. So all we're going to do is just take the bar and we're going to line it up. Bam, like so. And this is how it's going to look. So yeah, it's perfectly matching. I mean, this isn't shiny and this is, but that's fine because all the paint on the car is shiny. So that's what we want. We want it to look like that. That's awesome. These are two different color reds, which is totally fine with me. I don't mind that because obviously you got another color red over here, but I'll probably be painting this to match that in the future. So we'll see. But I love that. That is awesome. That looks so cool, guys. So yeah, now what we'll do is we'll just tighten up those bolts and it'll be good to go. Plain and simple. Super easy, easiest installation you could ever do on your car. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, now with that done, all we gotta do is just put these bolts on and we're set. Definitely the easiest modification I've ever done in my car. That was even easier than the cold air intake. The cold air intake is super easy on these cars. So yeah, that's that. It's literally done. So I'm actually going to hold on to these because I'm going to cut these to go over the top, and we're probably going to color match these as well, or make them red. I think it'll be better if they're the same color as that red right there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Keep these, or should I get some Billet Technology ones? They sell them, they're really nice. They're actually metal, so they would go on top of this right here and cover that up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep these or should I go with some billet technology ones? Because I think these could be really cool and really custom if I just cut those, painted, and made it match either the red or the gray. Let me know what you guys think.
Alright guys, I've had so much going on that this stuff has been crazy to be able to film, get out to you, edit, and just get ready. So here's all the information for the guy with the strut bar. His contact information is Grocery Getter Racing, so you can just hit him up on Instagram at Grocery Getter Racing. And like I've said before, he is straight up one of the chillest dudes that I've ever talked to online, and he will get you the stuff that you need. You can customize it all and literally make it to your liking, and he'll do it in a timely manner. I think it took like 3 weeks to get my strut bar. So yeah, 3 weeks to get a super custom piece for your car, which makes your car just pop, guys. Everyone at the show at Mopar on the Mountain was like, yo, where did you get that done? What was that? Like, how much was it? Blah, blah, blah. And I was like, yo, I'm going to make a video on it. So just subscribe to my channel, check it out, turn notifications on so you guys can know. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting it out to you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for following me on this journey, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, everybody.